Let's start with a hard truth. Over 90% of retail traders consistently lose money. It's a staggering statistic, but the reason isn't bad luck. It's the absence of a proven strategy. Many traders are caught in a frustrating cycle, jumping between lagging indicators, following conflicting signals, and letting emotions like fear and greed dictate their trades. They're essentially gambling, hoping for a lucky break that never comes. This leads to blown accounts and shattered confidence. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if I told you there's a powerful method that the smart money, the big banks and institutions, use every day to systematically profit from the market? This isn't about a secret indicator. It's about understanding the language of price action. These institutions leave clear footprints on the charts, and once you learn to read them, you can trade with them, not against them. This is the key to shifting the odds dramatically in your favor. In this video, I'm going to reveal the best Forex trading strategy for 2025, step by step. We'll cover how to identify key market structure, pinpoint areas of high liquidity where big moves originate, and define your entry triggers, stop-loss placements, and take profit targets with precision. This is about transforming you from a market gambler into a market analyst, operating with a clear plan and real confidence. By the end of this video, you won't just have learned a strategy, you'll possess a complete, actionable blueprint. It's a framework you can apply to any currency pair, on any time frame, starting today. You'll be equipped to look at any chart and see not chaos, but clear opportunity. You'll understand the why behind market movements, allowing you to anticipate, not just react. This is the blueprint for consistency and long-term profitability. So if you're ready to leave the 90% behind, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Digital Hustle FX, the channel where we break down trading into simple, powerful, and profitable steps. If you're serious about your trading journey, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's dive in. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join a fast-growing community of traders who are learning to hustle smarter, not harder. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join a fast-growing community of traders who are learning to hustle smarter, not harder. Trading against the trend is like trying to swim against a powerful ocean current. You might make a little progress for a moment, but eventually, you'll get exhausted and wiped out. It's a battle you're almost guaranteed to lose. That's why the single most important skill for any trader is learning to ride the wave, not fight it. So our foundational first step is always to identify the direction of the primary trend. To do this, we use two incredibly powerful tools, the 50-period and 200-period exponential moving averages, or EMAs. Think of the 200 EMA as the slow, deep current, the long-term institutional trend. The 50 EMA is the faster, more immediate wave, the medium-term momentum. Our strategy is to only trade when these two forces are moving together. A clear uptrend is identified when two specific conditions are met. First, the faster 50 EMA must be trading above the slower 200 EMA. Second, we need confirmation from the price itself. Look for a clear pattern of higher highs and higher lows. This structure confirms that buyers are consistently pushing the price upward. Conversely, a downtrend is in play when the 50 EMA crosses and stays below the 200 EMA, signaling bearish sentiment. To confirm this, we look for the price to be carving out a pattern of lower highs and lower lows. This shows that sellers are in firm control, pushing the price down with each successive wave. By using this dual confirmation method, we ensure we are only trading in the direction of the market's true flow. This simple rule acts as a powerful filter, eliminating the temptation to place random, low-probability entries in choppy or sideways markets. It's the first and most critical step to trading with discipline and putting the odds firmly in your favor. The next step is to look for order blocks, the footprints left behind by big banks and institutions. You'll spot them when you see a strong engulfing candle. These are the areas where smart money enters, and we want to trade with them, not against them. To refine these zones, I like to drop down to the 15-minute time frame, where entries become sharper and stop losses tighter. Patience is key. We don't chase trades. We wait for price to return to the order block, and then we enter in the direction of the trend. This means every single trade has logic, structure, and precision behind it, not emotions or guesses. This is where most traders fail. A great entry is useless without smart risk management. For this strategy, I recommend stop loss, =50 pips, take profit =100 pips. At 1 risk reward, take 50% partial profits and move your SL to break even. This way, even if you lose some trades, you're protected, and when you win big. Personally, I risk a maximum of 1-2% of my account per trade. Remember, your number one job as a trader is not to blow your account. Let's look at a live example on the chart. Here's a market uptrend confirmed with EMA. Notice how the engulfing candle creates the order block? We waited for price to pull back into it, placed our buy order, set a 50 pip stop loss, and a 100 pip take profit. Price respected the zone perfectly, and boom, the trade hit TP. This is exactly how simple trading becomes when you follow a system. Before you run off and use this, let me warn you about a few common mistakes traders make. They overtrade. Don't take every signal, only the clean ones. They ignore the trend. Remember, the trend is your best friend. They move stop losses. If you do that, you'll blow your account fast. Stick to the plan, and this strategy will change the way you trade. So, there you have it. The complete blueprint for what I genuinely believe is the most effective trading strategy for 2025. We've walked through identifying market structure shifts, confirming entries with our indicators, and defining clear exit points. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. It's not about predicting the future, it's about reacting to the market with a clear, repeatable process. But remember, the strategy is only half the battle. Your success hinges on unwavering discipline and rigorous risk management. Without those, even the best strategy will fail. Now here's my challenge to you. Tonight, open your trading platform. Pick a single major pair on the 1-hour time frame. Go back in time and find 3 instances where our setup appeared. Mark the entry, stop loss, and take profit levels exactly as I showed you. Don't place a trade, just do the analysis. This exercise builds the muscle memory and confidence you'll need to execute flawlessly when real money is on the line. See for yourself how powerful this method is. If you found this valuable, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with the chart you analyzed or any questions you have. Let's build a community of disciplined traders. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Digital Hustle FX and hit the notification bell. I have videos planned on advanced money management, deep dives into trading psychology to conquer fear and greed, and live trading sessions where we'll apply these strategies together. You don't want to miss it. Remember my core philosophy? Knowledge without execution is just entertainment. You've invested your time to learn this. Now you owe it to yourself to apply it. The path to consistent profitability isn't a sprint. It's a marathon built on small, consistent actions. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start practicing, start building your edge, and let's grow into the traders we're meant to be. I'll see you in the next one.